Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission (ICPC) arrests ex-Kaduna Governor el-Rufai's finance commissioner at Lagos Airport, caught fleeing the country. Shiza Joy Nasara Bada, the former Commissioner of Finance and Accountant General of Kaduna State, has been arrested at Muritala Muhammed Airport. Bada, who served under the administration of former Governor Nasir el-Rufai, was apprehended by operatives of the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission (ICPC) as she allegedly attempted to leave the country. This arrest comes amidst an ongoing corruption investigation targeting several high-ranking officials from el-Rufai's administration. Sources close to the matter suggest that the focus is on alleged financial mismanagement during their time in office. While specific charges against Bada have not been disclosed, insiders believe they involve significant financial irregularities and misappropriation of public funds. This development follows a recent Kaduna State House of Assembly indictment accusing former Governor el-Rufai of embezzling 423 billion naira from the state treasury. El-Rufai has responded to these allegations by launching a legal challenge. His attorney, Abdulhakeem Mustafa, filed a fundamental rights lawsuit in June to contest the claims made against him. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more updates.